Oh, look at that, chasing after the Armors ferry as the sun going down right now. Got 9 minutes left of flight time. Wow. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. This drone can do about 3 miles, this can. Now let's fly back. It's sat right by Glera Beach Bar. Got 18 minutes left of flight time. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. I'm just killing the drone battery. I'm doing 40 miles per hour coming back right now. So good to get some drone shots of the Armors ferry again. I always get nervous flying the drone this far out. I was about a mile out.